Alright, what's up YouTube? This is DTIX2Dope giving you an MW3 gameplay here. Just because I told you we'll be uploading videos very, very soon now. Also, to my subs, views, please sub, like this video, share. Thank you. But the main reason for us uploading this video was to tell you all more about what's going on with the clan, how we've been what's all expected and what all is needed. Alright, so I'm gonna start out with what's been going on. Recently the clan we've lost a lot more members. That's okay, because we know we can get them back. We've also need some more members. Well, I can say that I can excuse me. That's under what is needed. So that's pretty much it for what we've been up to. Just trying to get more gameplays, get more members and stuff. What is needed? We need recorders, starting clan members, backup clan members, that could one day become starters, of course. We need editors for our videos. We need people that can share us, like people that's in charge of sharing us and all that. We need you people, and we need people that'll put time into making this YouTube channel a success. So if you want to be a part of this, message us and tell us what you want to do, and you can start today. Well, whenever you message. Okay. So this is just one of the gameplays I found that we were gonna upload before, but never did. I don't know why. I don't know what happened. I can't tell you. But that's what happened. Right now, I'm playing with some clan members in this video. And after this round, I'm just going to end this video so I can have some more space for other videos. Because we're trying to make a video all night. As you can see, I just did a little ninja defuse there. Because that's me, ninja defuse, sneaky. That's me. And yeah, so just enjoy the next 25 seconds of this video. Thanks. Alright, YouTube, since the game is extended, I'm just going to cut it a little short at 5 minutes, so I guess you can watch. Until then.